Hi friends, in this video we are discussing problems on line integral. This topic we are chosen from vector integral calculus. Okay, before going to the problem solving, first I am giving one work for you, that is a task for you. The task is here, find work done in moving a particle and the force field F bar is equal to 3x square I plus 2xz minus y times of j plus zk along the straight line from 0, 0, 0 to 213. So you have to solve this problem and choose the correct option. This solution you have to ping in the YouTube comment box. Okay. Now how to solve this one means, based on this same concept I will solve one problem in this video. So if you watched this video completely, then you can do very easily. Shall we ready? Right, coming to the second problem. Find work done in a moving particle and the force field F bar is equal to 2y plus 3 times of I plus xzj plus yz minus x times of k along the straight line from 0, 0, 0 to 211. You see friends, what we have to do here? Work done. Work done from A point to B point. Nothing but integral A to B F bar dot dr bar we need to find. So F bar dot dr bar is nothing but, you know that, F1 dx plus F2 dy plus F3 dz. But here F1, F2, F3 means total F bar is in terms of what? Y, x, z. So total this is a function of x, y, z. If you want to do the line integral, what you require? How many variables are, if you want to do the line integral is along a line. That line is containing how many variables? Only one variable. But here how many variables are there? Three variables are there. One second, I will repeat again. You see, integral F bar dot dr bar is equal to integral F1 dx plus F2 dy plus F3 dz. Here F1 we are integrating with respect to x, but F1 is in terms of y. So can you integrate y with respect to x means? No. So F2 is here in terms of xz, but we have to integrate with respect to y. So it is not possible. In this case, what we have to do means, we have to change all the variables in one independent variable. Nothing but here x, y, z variables we have to change into only one variable. How we can change means, either they has to give, once again I am repeating, here we are integrating, sorry for the inconvenience. Friends, you see, now we have to integrate this one. Line integral we are doing. Line integral we are doing with respect to one variable only possible. With respect to one variable only possible. But here you have three variables. So these three variables we have to convert into one variable. How we can convert means, they has to give a curve. Here you observe, are they given a curve like y is equal to x square or y is equal to x cube, or else x is in terms of t, y is in terms of t, z is in terms of t, like that? No. But what they given? The curve is here straight line. Straight line, are they mentioned clearly? No. But what they gave here? A point A to B, we need to find out a straight line. So first we have to find out the straight line. The straight line form is, suppose if you know the point A, x1, y1, z1 and B is x2, y2, z2, then the point of AB is x minus x1 by x2 minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 by z2 minus z1 is equal to, sorry, y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. I will repeat again. The point of A, the straight line AB is here, x minus x1 by x2 minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 equal to z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. We have to equate to one variable that is considered as a t. So here what is x1 value? 0, y1 0, z1 0, x2 is 2, y2 is 1, z2 is 1. So substitute these all values in this equation. Then x minus 0. X minus 0 is nothing but x only, na? Divided by x2 minus x1. 2 minus 0 is nothing but 2 is equal to y minus 0, that is y by y2 minus y1. So 1 minus 0 is nothing but 1 is z minus 0. Z minus z1 is z minus 0 by z2 minus z1 means 1 minus 0 is 1. This is equal to what? T. That implies, you observe now, here A is equal to B is equal to C equal to D is nothing but what you can say, A is equal to D, B is equal to D, C equal to D, are not here. Yes. So what you can say means x by 2 is equal to t, implies x is equal to what? 2t. Similarly, y by 1 is nothing but y is equal to t. Next, similarly, z is equal to t. Now you observe x is in terms of t. y is in terms of t, z is in terms of t. So finally x, y, z's are in terms of t, nothing but dr bar is also in terms of what? T only. So we have to integrate this one now. So this integral f1, f2, f3 are in terms of what? X, y, z, nothing but finally f is a function of t, and similarly dr bar is also a function of t. So hence that integrand will be a function of what? T. So you require the limits for what? T only, na? Yes or no? We require the limits for t. Now we have to find out the t limits. Here you observe a to b, we have to find out. A is here 0 to 2, and here you have one is 0 to 2, another one 0 to 1, 0 to 1, but here there is a change, 0 to 2 is there. So we need to find out the t value. How we can find out t value means here, you see this is a, this is b, na? So the lower limit of x is what? X, y, z are a, upper limit of x, y, z are b. So substitute lower limit in t, then you will have a substitute x, y, z values of lower limit, then you will get t lower limit. Here you see 2t, na? When x is equal to 0, what is t? 0. When y is 0, then what is t? 0. When z is 0, what is t? 0 only. So finally you can say at 0, 0, 0, what is the t value? T is equal to 0. Next you have another point. What is that point? Means 2, 1, 1. So whenever x is 2, what is the t value? 1. Okay. Next, whenever t is 1, what is whenever y is 1, what is the t value? 1. Whenever z is 1, what is the t value? 1. So from this what you can say? Which is moving, t is equal to 1. Nothing but the lower limit of t is 0 and upper limit of t is 1. So is it clear for everyone? You see friends, here you have to remember the thing is, if they are given a curve, no need to bother. But if they are not given a curve, then what we have to do means, we need to find out the slope equation, or else we need to find out the given function. That is here they are given a curve is a straight line. Straight line whenever they are given 3 points like this. A is a point in 3-dimensional space, x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2. Then the equation is x minus x1 by x2 minus x1, y minus y1 by y2 minus y1, z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. We have to equate to t. Then you will get a straight line in terms of t. That is x is in terms of t, y is in terms of t, z is also in terms of t. Then entire function f is also in terms of t and dr is also in terms of t. Then integrand will be in terms of t. So you require limits also in terms of t. If you substituted x, y, z lower limit, then you will get a t lower limit. If you substituted x is equal to, y is equal to 1, z is equal to 1, then you will get upper limit of t. That's it. Now I have a lower limit of t is 0 and upper limit of t is 1. And x value I know, y value I know, z value I know. Okay, na? Now x, y, z are in terms of t. So this is a parametric form or not? Yes. So integral f dot dr is equal to f1 dx plus f2 dy plus f3 dz, where f1 I have written already 2y plus 3, f2 is xz, f3 is this one. So now we have to change x, y, z are in terms of t or not? Yes. So what we have x I am writing here, x is equal to 2t, y is equal to t, z is equal to t. Then we have to change dx also now. Then dx is equal to 2 dt, comma dy is equal to dt, dz is equal to dt. Limits are 0 to 1. Then you see what it will happens here. Integral from 0 to 1 to y. Y is t, na? 2t plus 3 times of dx is nothing but here 2 dt plus xz. X is this one and z is this one. So 2t square into dy. Dy is dt only. Simply dt they are given. Now yz. Y into z means t into t. T square minus x. X is nothing but 2t dt. That's it. Now from this you can take dt is a common or not. So integral from 0 to 1. 2 times of 2 is 4t plus 6 plus 2t square plus t square minus 2t into dt. Now powers if equal, then we have to add, that is integral from 0 to 1. If you are simplified, 2t square plus t square is nothing but 3t square, and 4t minus 2t is plus 2t plus 6 into dt. Friends, you remember, if they are given like a theoretical exam, then you have to do completely. Suppose if they are given objective exam, go for the you can do directly by using the calculator. You see in the calculator I am explaining how you can do in means integral of Here what they gave, limits from 0 to 1, 3t square na. So in terms of x I am doing here, because in the calculator we have only x variable. You see, that is 3 alpha x square plus 2 alpha x plus 6. Now remaining is limits from 0 to 1. So if you press is equal button, then you will have answer is 8. So if they are given this problem in a objective type exam, then what you have to do, use the calculator and directly you can get the solution. But now we have to do theoretically na. So I am doing now integral 3. Integral t square is nothing but t cube by 3 plus 2 times of t integration 2 square by 2 plus 6 into t. Now the lower limit is 0, upper limit is 1. 3 getting cancelled, 2 getting cancelled. If you are substituted upper limit, 1 plus 6 minus 0 plus 0 plus 0. So you tell me now the total answer is how much? 6 plus 1 means 8. So hence the integral f bar dot dr bar is equal to 8. So is it clear for everyone? So now you can solve this problem or not? So try to solve this problem and replay the answer. Thank you for watching this video.